Are you looking for a high-conviction investment opportunity in the Canadian multifamily housing sector? Welcome to the Multifamily Real Estate Insights podcast. I'm your host, Sandy MacKay. Let's get right to it. Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in the Canadian multifamily real estate landscape. NexLiving Communities, a Canadian real estate investment trust, is making waves with its strategic moves and disciplined capital allocation. According to Edwin Foster's article, NexLiving has boosted its 2023 same-property net operating income by an impressive 13.9% through cost cuts and revenue growth, achieving a 56.2% margin. This is a testament to their operational efficiency, a cornerstone of their success. In 2024, NexLiving made a significant acquisition by adding 991 units through the Devcore Group Inc. portfolio, doubling its portfolio and projecting an 80% growth in net operating income. This move not only expanded their reach across Eastern Ontario and Quebec, but also lowered their borrowing costs to 3.20%. Their strategic geographic diversification into high-growth markets like Ottawa, Gatineau, and Moncton highlights their ability to reduce regional risk and fuel scale. NexLiving's financial resilience is another aspect that stands out. They've shown a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders with a $0.01 per share quarterly dividend, supported by a 39% year-over-year surge in funds from operations. This is underpinned by effective leverage management and a compelling balance sheet. In 2024, NexLiving reduced its net debt to gross book value by 360 basis points, partly through strategic sales and refinancing efforts. Leadership changes in 2024, including the appointment of Jeff York as chairman and Rick Turner as vice chairman, signal a renewed focus on governance and strategic alignment. Their leadership is positioning NexLiving to capitalize on the structural housing demand with defensive growth qualities. CEO Stavros Stathonikos' emphasis on modernizing large suites in Ontario further enhances their ability to leverage mark-to-market opportunities. For investors, NexLiving represents a high-conviction opportunity in a sector facing structural tailwinds. The Canadian multifamily market is grappling with housing shortages, and NexLiving's focus on high-growth secondary markets positions it to outperform peers. Their expanding net operating income margins and geographic diversification provide downside protection in a volatile macroeconomic environment, making it a model for sustainable growth. In today's episode, we're turning our focus to an exciting development in the Nordic real estate market. CapMan Oyj, a leading Nordic private asset manager, has announced a significant acquisition in Stockholm. Through its third value-add fund, CapMan Nordic Real Estate 3, CapMan has signed an agreement with Swedish residential developer Reliwi to forward fund a multifamily housing project in Greater Stockholm. This project is no small endeavor, consisting of 262 units and spanning over 12,119 square meters of lettable area. It's strategically located in Handen, Haninge, just south of central Stockholm, and is part of a broader revitalization of the town center surrounding Handen's railway station and bus terminal. This area is undergoing a significant transformation and is characterized by a structural undersupply of modern rental housing, making this development particularly timely. The construction will be handled by Consto and is expected to be completed by the second quarter of 2028. The project's design is ambitious, meeting high sustainability standards with features like BREEAM in use and Miljöbyggnad Silver certifications, a minimum EPC rating of B, and on-site renewable energy through solar panels. They're also aiming for EU taxonomy alignment, which underscores their commitment to sustainable development. Pontus Danielsson, investment manager at CapMan Real Estate, expressed enthusiasm about this acquisition, noting its importance in scaling their residential strategy in Stockholm. He highlighted the trusted partnership with Reliwi and Consto, emphasizing the deep local expertise they bring to the table. Magnus Berglund, partner and head of Sweden and Norway at CapMan Real Estate, also commented on the favorable market timing for deploying capital into sustainable, high-quality residential investments in the Nordic capital cities. This acquisition is expected to close in the third quarter of 2025. Adding to CapMan's robust pipeline, of real estate projects. With over 5.5 billion euros in real estate assets managed by a team spread across major Nordic cities and beyond, CapMan is poised to continue its trajectory of growth and innovation in the real estate sector. As we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that both NexLiving Communities and CapMan Oyj are making strategic moves that could set new standards in their respective markets. Each is leveraging unique opportunities to address housing demands while maintaining a strong commitment to sustainable growth. Thank you for listening to the Multifamily Real Estate Insights podcast. I'm your host, Sandy MacKay. See you on the next one.